And happy Father's Day to all the great dads trying to do the best they can. And I got a surprise this morning. I got a Father's Day gourmet breakfast. This is a nice surprise. Look at that. I got the spinach, make me strong like Popeye. The toast, and I got that. You know, you gotta get that pork right there, and then I got fuego con leche.
Who gave you the surprise?
Baby mama in la casa. She gave me a Father's Day.
Happy Father's Day. Happy Father's Day to all of you.
Today is gonna be interesting. I guess I'm gonna go see my dad and see what the day brings us over there. Hey, well, I got a surprise for him. I'll show you guys in a minute. All right, and like you saw, I had a great breakfast made by Chef Big Mama in la casa, and now I'm gonna show you guys a little surprise that I'm gonna take. Let me see. If you guys like seafood, I'm taking them all. You know what that is right there? And this one. That's what that is right there. He likes those, and my kids love them too. And then one more thing. I guess it's gonna be a crabby day. And oh, you can't really see. Let me see this. Can you see this? Yeah. For those who likes crabby, it's gonna be a crabby day today. He likes it, so, and my kids love it. And like you guys know, it is Father's Day, but you know, we got us fathers, we play too, so we're gonna go ahead and take the bikes over to my dad's house to have a little ride, and hopefully it doesn't rain over there, because here we go. Look at the weather over here. It already started. It was sunny, and I got cloudy, so we'll see what happens. We'll see what happens, but I guess we'll make the best of it. All right, guys, like you see, we're locked and loaded and ready to go. And yep, you know how it is. Once we go to my dad's house, that's the best place to ride the dirt bikes. So the kids and I decided to take it and take a little cruise while down there. I guess while he cooks and stuff, we're gonna hang out, you know, on the trails over there. And once again, this is Father's Day weekend, so all the great dads are trying their best. You know, happy Father's Day. This is how everybody representing the channel. Ooh, look at that, look at that. Look at that. Ooh. I forgot mine.
No, but put it on.
Look at that, represent the channel. Woo, Sandbar Life in the woods today. So ready to go with the show on the road today, guys. Let's go with the show. Come on. Had to wait like 3 days to get on. All right, let's go. Hey, look at Yola. Yola!
Can we just put these 2 seats on our...
Yola's ready to go. Alright guys, so we're off to another adventure, to my dad's house. And if you guys been following me for a while now, you know my dad's about an hour and 30-minute drive up north. And if you're new to the channel, whoa, my dad stays on the northwest side of Lake Okeechobee. And we normally take I-75 north and then Highway 27. But I'm not gonna bore you guys with sugarcane fields and small towns. So we're gonna go right to it, to my dad's house. And also, if you guys didn't know, my truck is not diesel, it's a V8 gasoline engine, but it's not that bad because it's doing from 16 to 17 miles per gallon on the highway. But the best thing I like about this truck, that is so quiet and so comfortable of a ride, that it actually feels like I'm driving a 4-door car. And that was why mainly reason I wanted to get rid of my dually, because the dually rode too rough. Now it's time to unload the bike. And remember, my dirt bike is street legal, so it's a dual sport that I could drive it on the road. And maybe one day I'll take a drive from my house to my dad's house. And maybe Ogita can follow me on the truck just in case I get tired of the rough ride, because if you notice, I do not have street tires, I have off-road tires on the dirt bike, so it makes a ride really bumpy. And also it vibrates a lot. So if you guys gonna get a dual sport, my recommendation is go ahead and get street tires, not off-road tires. All right, so here we go. Brought the little cooler with the little crabbies. Let's go give him the gift of the crabs. We got some Miami crabs. Some Miami crabs. Can you open the door, please?
Don't let the dog in.
Who let that dogs in?
Just let the dogs out.
Who let that dog in? Oh, yeah, negra. Get out. Negra.
Close the door, close the door, close the door.
Felicidades, papá.
Okay, so while they do their crabby stew, preparing for a late lunch, dinner, whatever it is gonna be, I'm gonna go ahead and take the dirt bike out with the kids and have some fun. That they actually left before me and they left me behind, so I gotta catch up to them. And yes, just in case you're wondering what camera I'm using right now I'm using the GoPro 360 Max, that you could do a lot of unique angles and cool ones like this. After riding around through the trails, because if you guys don't know, there's plenty of trails here by my dad's house, I finally found the kids. Just in case you're wondering, what type of dirt bike is a Hawk? Well, a Hawk is a 250 dual sport dirt bike that I purchased from Amazon. And yes, it is a Chinese bike, but even the known name brands here in the States, they still use Chinese parts. So I took my chance, and so far so good. I am very happy with this dirt bike because it serves its purpose for the amount of money that I paid for. Plus, if you already know me by now, I love the water. So this dirt bike thing is only temporary, or maybe once in a while. So I didn't want to have a lot of money sitting in the garage. And with the price of one name brand dirt bike, I got 3. So I think that was a bargain. And so far, my kids have stuck theirs through mud, water, and rough terrain. And so far, nothing has broken. So I think they're pretty good. Oh, you guys remember all the crabs? Look at all the crabs. Look at all the spike. You like that?
Yes.
For real?
Yes.
Oh my goodness. Look at that. It's a lot. Look like a bunch of dead spiders.
I like that one.
You like that too?
Wait, how is an arm? Don't get the arm. I want a body.
What's that for, Gabby?
What do you want?
A body.
A body? What do you mean?
Like a body.
She wants the claws.
¿Y los huesitos hechos? ¿Y los calamares te gustan? Son ricos, pruébalo. Pruébalo.
Just put it in. Just put it in.
I guess I'll take some. Only the claws though.
And another claw. Please.
No, you know what? I don't want that.
¿Y salsita?
Yeah. Not really care. Put an olive in there too.
No, she crazy. They're getting spiders. I don't like all those spiders.
Mira, ve, tu mamá tiene algún pedazo de algo por ahí, pero ¿qué es un pulpo?
What is that?
¿Tú eres un octopus?
I'll taste it.
Yeah? Show me how you eat that.
What?
How do you eat that? Well, you need the breaking thing, no?
I don't know where it is.
Okay, let me get it for you. Hold up. Look at Gabby eating like crab. Look at that. Like dad or like mother. Look at that, eating crabs too.
So you like it?
Déjame la tapita.
This? This is good.
Oh, I know why you like it. You got like sucking on bones and stuff.
Dame un napkin.
Well guys, like you see, they really enjoy the crabs. But I didn't need none. My mom actually made me some pork chops and rice because I'm not a crabby type of person. And you know what else? I left both of my cameras running outside. So by the time I finished having lunch, the cameras were dead. And I didn't bring my charger. So I couldn't really finish the whole day of the video. We still had a good time here. But you know what? You guys stay tuned because I also took my dad fishing.
Mutton, undersized, pero mutton. Muy chiquito.
So that was another Father's Day surprise that's coming up next. So stay tuned for more.